If you're currently using Windows 10, I've got big news for you. TurboTax just dropped a bomb. They will no longer be supporting Windows 10 for the upcoming 2025 tax year. That means if you had planned on filing your taxes right on your PC using the TurboTax software, that might not work for you at all. Today I'm breaking down why TurboTax dropped Windows 10, what versions are currently supported, and if you need to get a new computer or not, or if you have other options. Let's jump right into it. And some of you may be thinking out there, no way, there's no way that TurboTax would do this. But if you check the requirements page for the 2025 tax year, TurboTax officially requires Windows 11. Windows 10 is no longer on the compatibility list. Why is this? A lot of us are probably frustrated because we signed up for the ESU on Windows 10, thinking we would get those security updates and that wouldn't cause any issues with the software that we use. But that's not the reality. The reality is, companies like TurboTax, these software companies, don't want to deal with it. They know that Windows 10 is going to be end of life at some point soon, next year, and at that point it's not going to get security updates and patches. So they're just pulling it out now. They're pulling out early. They're going to go ahead and say Windows 11 only, and they have the right to do that because it's their software. But where does that leave you as the customer? Well, the real world impact of this is going to be that in 2025, we won't be able to use TurboTax desktop software on our Windows 10 computers. If you want to use 2025 TurboTax desktop software, you're going to have to move to Windows 11 or get a Windows 11 computer. Even if it does install, certain features may break or fail security checks, so there's really no point in trying to bypass or get it installed when it's not going in naturally. Online TurboTax might still work, but slower and not officially supported again. Customer support may refuse to help you or to troubleshoot if you're having an issue on Windows 10. So the bottom line is, if you're on Windows 10, TurboTax wants you to move on. All right, now let's talk about what this is going to force those who use TurboTax to do, or what your options are. You have 5 options that are all viable options. Let's start with the easiest one, upgrade to Windows 11. If your computer meets the requirements for Windows 11, this is obviously the easiest fix. Windows 11 is going to be supported, obviously much longer than Windows 10, and TurboTax should continue to work on it. It takes about 20 to 40 minutes to upgrade. However, you will want to make sure that you do meet the requirements for Windows 11. Your CPU is on the HCL, or what they call the hardware compatibility list. If your processor's pre-2018, especially Intel or AMD, you're going to be probably in the boat where you cannot upgrade. So look into that. Check to see if your processor meets the requirements for Windows 11. In addition to that, you're also going to want to make sure that your manufacturer has released driver updates for Windows 11. And they are very important. If they don't release driver updates for Windows 11, updating to Windows 11 could break your computer or cause issues in the long run. So don't do that. TurboTax Online is option number 2. You can always go to the website and file your taxes using the online website. They have a browser-based website. URL is right here. Technically, it still works on Windows 10. Intuit, however, the company that owns TurboTax, they don't guarantee that this will work. They are saying that they are basically not going to offer support if you're trying to file on a Windows 10 computer. So if you run into issues, this is going to be a problem because you can't get any help with it. Option number three is to switch to another device. If you have a Mac operating system that's up to date, it's running a newer version of the Mac OS, or you have a Windows 11 computer, I don't know why you're even watching the video further. You don't have to worry about it. You could use one of those devices, okay? Option number 4 is to use another tax software. I'm not going to recommend any. That's not what we're here for. I'm not endorsing anybody, but if TurboTax is just no longer going to work for you and you have to stay on Windows 10, you might have to switch to another software, okay? And then option number 5, buy a new PC. If it's in the cards, you're going to be forced to do it at some point anyway. Windows 10 is going end of life either way, right? So we get another year of ESU, and then it's done. So new PC might be your best option if your current PC can't upgrade to Windows 11 and you want to file with TurboTax software, okay? Now, maybe you don't use the TurboTax desktop software, which in that case, I'm not sure why you clicked on the video, but thanks for sticking around so long. However, it is going to affect you. This video applies to everyone. Anybody using Windows 10 needs to understand that this is just the beginning. This might be the first big wave of major apps we see dropping out of Windows 10, but eventually there's going to be more and more until eventually nothing works on the operating system, or very few things work, and you can almost, not do what you need to do on a computer with it, okay? Financial apps require very strict security, so they're going to be some of the first ones to go. Running them on an operating system that's not receiving patch updates anymore is a huge risk, so it's understandable why they're doing this. If your PC is going to be storing tax documents, banking info, and other documents that are sensitive in nature, well, you don't want to do it on an operating system that has vulnerabilities that aren't getting patched, that a hacker could get into and steal that information. So it is really these companies just looking out for you. But right now, it just kind of hurts, right? Because we don't get to use that software that we want to use. We feel slighted or like we were cheated. Well, that's not necessarily the case. They are, in fact, looking out for your best interest. So yeah, that's it. TurboTax, it's officially dropping support for Windows 10 for the 2025 tax year. Check your PC, check your upgrade options, and don't wait until tax season to see if it's going to run on your computer. Have a plan, be proactive, and be prepared. If you want help upgrading or checking compatibility for Windows 11 on your computer, reach out to us here at My Computer Works. We'd be happy to help. Thanks everyone for watching. Hit that like and subscribe before you go, and I'll see you on the next one.